51 pages. That is the length of the latest legal challenge against Alligator Alcatraz. I'm Fox 4 community correspondent Eric Lovelace. The Friends of the Everglades announced it has issued an intent to sue in its latest effort to block the facility. And they tell me they will exhaust all options to save the Everglades.
I feel so much because we're human beings.
The fighting continues against Alligator Alcatraz. This time, possibly in a courtroom.
It's all being done without any environmental oversight.
That's Eve Samples, executive director at Friends of the Everglades. And she says she feels the environment's been an afterthought when constructing this facility.
It's been built at breakneck speed with no public input, no environmental analysis.
You may remember an actual lawsuit was filed on June 27th. This will go on top if the United States agencies don't remedy the violations in 60 days.
We have to give 60 days notice before we can file those kinds of lawsuits.
The notice makes 3 objections, accusing the state and federal government of not complying with the Endangered Species Act, the Clean Water Act, and another law protecting national parks. And speaking of clean water, I spoke to Ranger Rob Howell, a renowned Southwest Florida naturalist, and his biggest concern is the water runoff.
And already Florida Bay's struggling from, pollution, not enough water, all kinds of issues. It's just going to be one more thing on that coffin, which it seems like we're nailing together right now.
He says to add this issue on top of the others is a gut punch to people who live there.
Not only fighting for their homes, they're fighting for the lives of millions of different species that live down here in the Everglades.
These environmental concerns are now being piled onto the human rights concerns Democratic lawmakers are looking to address this weekend. Eric Lovelace, Fox 4.